Hello! Today we're taking a look at COOFANDY's business long sleeve shirt. So we're going to go ahead and see if it's true to size. COOFANDY is pretty good at being true to size. So this is size large. It is a fully buttoned down shirt, which we're just going to put it on as is with the buttons on. I like the color. It's a nice, I want to say red, but also like a deeper wine red in a way. All right, so it's a little tight there, but we got to get it put on. Okay. So with a muscle shirt underneath, it's a little tight. We do work out our upper chest and our arms, so it's a little tight. You can actually see. Actually, that's kind of nice. You can see the muscle bulging through there. What's up? I kind of like that. You're not going to want to be stretching or anything, because if you stretch, you're going to be able to see your stomach underneath. So this isn't one of those shirts. This is just a nice casual business shirt. You can move your arms around and stuff. Your shirt's not going to come up moving your arms. I would say it's true to size. Yeah, I would say it's true to size, because we're on the borderline of size large. We are size large, but also maybe X large depending on the brand. Like Hollister, X large fits a little nicer, but a large fits tight. We do have right in here. We gotta work on that a little bit to get. Yeah. Anyway, we don't need to ramble. Size large. I think if you normally take size large, it's gonna be the same. I think go with size large, unless you really got a beer belly or something, like really got a beer belly, then you probably want to go with an X large. But yeah, if you got you drink a lot and it just hangs out there, you probably want to go with X large and make it look a little better. But it's nice. I like it. I like the fit. It's a nice business dress shirt.